Hello and welcome to the day number 8 of our letters challenge for February 2019. I am so happy to have you here. Today we are lettering try something different today. Don't wait anymore. Enjoy the process. To create today's layout, we are gonna need these materials. A marker, brush marker in a very light color. Optional, you can use a blender. Glitter markers, whatever color you like. I choose these 3. And a fine liner. I am using this 0.05 micron to trace some letters. But remember, you can use whatever medium you like. It's not mandatory. You will need some paper, of course. One mixed media is better for the blendings. And I did the layout before just to trace it using my light pad. If you don't have a light pad, don't worry, you don't need it. Maybe you can trace the letters very light in the paper and then do the layout, or you can do the layout before and put it into the window, and then the light can help you to trace it much easier. I am taking some washi tapes to fix the paper to the light pad so it can move when I trace the letters. Now I am tracing the letter, as you see, with the light color, and now I forgot to say that we will need some gray markers. I am using these cutting markers because of the tip, but you can use whatever marker in a gray color that you have. That is to make the shadow side easier to see and easier to do the technique we are using today. It's a very fun one. I hope you enjoy it. Follow me doing this process, and if you have any question, please let me in the comments. I will love to read what you are experiencing during these tutorials. Enjoy the process. It's a very fun one. Okay, now we are beginning with the technique that I want to show you, and this is a very time consuming one. We will start with the light color you choose. I am starting with the yellow one or the gold one, and you will try to do the blending with the glitters. You need to do very short traces with the markers, with the glitter markers, and try to blend the both colors you are using and complete this through the whole work. It's very beautiful after it's finished, but it takes very long. This project took me 40 minutes so I am speeding up the video so it's not too long, it's just 6 minutes. Have fun. done. After so much doing, we are ready with this beautiful piece. I love the diamond shapes, the crosses, the color, the glitter. You maybe cannot appreciate the glitters in the videos, but I can see like the shining words. It's very, very beautiful. I also love the combination of the two word shoes, and I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day. Thank you for being here, and see you next time. Bye.